Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is about how to put an object in the back of the page using the Control plus the page down button at the same time. If you've watched some of my videos, you know that I use the yellow box trick quite a bit when I'm discovering clip art and failures in clip art in white patches. But I have a button up here called to the back of page. And you can also go to arrange, so it's back up here. Go to range and order back a page. So let's back up here. You can do the same thing with the control and the page down button. Page down. That does the exact same thing. And it'll help you if you don't use it enough to have an icon up at the top, and if you don't want to have to go, well, let's just back up here. So that's one mouse click, two mouse clicks, three mouse clicks versus two keys on the keyboard do the exact same thing. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.